Haley. Giving back to the community and helping others any way possible is what volunteering means to me.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I like giving back to the community and helping those that need it.
My name is Rebecca. Volunteering means to me helping out your community and having fun with your team while doing so.
Hi, my name is Mary Moore Butler. I'm the volunteer program manager at Forgotten Harvest. Volunteers at Forgotten Harvest are the lifeblood of what we do. We can do anything, especially on the scale in which we're doing it, without the volunteers. It took over 35,000 people last fiscal year to make our mission possible. So when groups like LA Insurance come in and assist us, it's truly invaluable. I truly believe that Forgotten Harvest is a mission of the people and the community, and volunteerism is integral to everything we do here. So thank you guys so much for participating here and providing such much needed help to the community.